Hey, I have a fun video to do. I ordered a mystery box from Moonslice Cosmetics. I have used a couple of their palettes. I'm gonna do a video with probably both of them. It'll be two separate videos. But anyway, they had a mystery box and I was like, I like mystery boxes. So I ordered one. And that's what we're gonna open today. So I have it open already. Oh, it just come in this. I don't want to like turn it around because my address, you know. Anyway, let's see. Got. Oh, thank you for your order. Your order made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. And it's on like a cardstock thing, which is like it looks like it could have been recycled, so that's cool. Let me see. What else do we have? Ooh, a beauty sponge. Yes, I needed to, anyway, I need to probably shuck my e.l.f. one, because I've had it for a while. I like to get rid of them after, like, a month or two after I've washed them a couple times, because I don't want to, have mold. Oh, I got two things in my hand right here. We have Extreme Shine Lip Gloss. Two of them. CEO and Fudge. Let's see what they look like. Their packaging is really sleek. Ooh. Alright, this is CEO. Ooh. I got it on my nose, didn't I? This is CEO. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's pretty. Alright, it's like a pink. And, oh goodness. Alright, put that back in the box. Let it come in. And then this is Fudge. What color is this? Ooh, I like this one. Just by the color of it. They don't really have a scent. Oh yeah, I can definitely see myself using both of these. But I really like Fudge. It's so pretty. Let's see. What else do we have? An empty box. It appears to be. Alright, looks like we have 4 things in total. And this doesn't necessarily look like an eyeshadow palette, but let's see. I know they have blush palettes and I've been wanting to try them. Blushing Moon. Oh, cool. Alright, let's see, what do they look like? Oh. I've been wanting to try their blush. Oh yes, I can tell I'm gonna love this. I'm just like kind of lightly putting some little terrible swatches, but oh yes, I am excited. I'm gonna probably gonna mix these two because I feel like that'd be pretty. Ooh, okay. So I want to say that their mystery boxes are $25. I had a discount from leaving a review, I do believe. So I got it for a little bit cheaper, but $25 and you get 4 things. I mean, I feel like that's pretty good. I don't exactly know how much their blush palettes are, but I think they're about $20. And then I don't exactly know how much any of this stuff costs, but I can't remember. I know I've looked at it, but I can't like right off the top of my head like be like, oh yeah, that was this much. But I feel like that's a pretty fair deal. Like, I'm excited. It's been a while since I've gotten a mystery box, so yeah. Let me know if you want to see more of these, what you'd like to see next. You could check out some other things I got going on by checking out the links that I have below to my other social medias if you're interested. Have you tried Moonslice Beauty? If you have, what's your favorite product? Have you tried their blush palette? I'm excited to. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm talking too much. Thank you so much for watching. And I know this was short and weird, but, you know, I'm both of those things, short and weird. Alright, thank you so much for watching. And I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye.